Because of air duct cleaning, we were able to add filtration upgrades, UV upgrades, duct changeouts, complete system duct changeouts, and even equipment changeouts, or even higher service dollar tickets.
For anyone that's contemplating getting into duct cleaning, it's a great industry. Duct cleaning is where carpet cleaning was back in the late 60s and early 70s. Indoor air quality is just becoming top of mind for homeowners. Dust, allergies, mold issues, suspect mold issues, fungus and germs, COPD, breathing issues. These are all coming up more and more because our house construction now is tighter and tighter. We don't let fresh outdoor air into our homes anymore unless we're opening windows or opening doors.
Probably the biggest thing it's helped us with is actual duct changeouts. A lot of the times we go in to clean the duct system and we find all kinds of extra growth that we just can't remove with a machine, or sometimes it's just too much mold, things like that. We'll just swap the whole system out. Or maybe they have mylar duct where the duct's falling apart. Customer has no idea that they're losing 30, 40, 50% of their capacity just from the insulation falling apart. So duct cleaners go in, they actually see that, put their eyes on it, and they can explain to the customer what they're losing and then turn it into a complete system change out. Right now we're running 7, 8 trucks. We average 2 jobs a day on some of those. Some of them have 3 jobs a day. So, I mean, it varies. So today, I mean, there's 12 jobs that'll be ran today. Yesterday there were 16 jobs. Equipment changeouts, and I don't know exact numbers, but let's just say we're at 40 million for the year. I would say 5 million of that is probably due to duct cleaning. A duct cleaner or somebody looking at duct cleaning has turned that into equipment sale.
The one thing that's helped my company by adding air duct cleaning is when I would get a phone call from customers of mine saying, hey, do you offer air duct cleaning? And I would say, no, I'm sorry. And they would go to my competitor who also cleans carpets. That's been very difficult for us to pass them along and lose that customer.
I'll tell you, so like a basic air duct package, $800–900 in that range. It's very seldom that that's all the guy's walking out the door with. Usually it's a $3,000 to $5,000 ticket, and the duct cleaning's just a minor part of it. So honestly, marketing for us in the duct cleaning department is very minimal. A lot of what we do is we use the service techs. I call them my foot soldiers. So they're the guys that are in the home one-on-one with the customer. Seeing is believing. So if I can take you and show you what you're looking at, what I'm looking at, make you understand what's there and why it's harmful to you, you're more apt to clean it.
We use the Rotobrush BrushBeast, and we love the Rotobrush BrushBeast because we take it into the customer's home, into each register, and we feel like it does a great job.
One of the main reasons why I feel like the Rotobrush equipment would be beneficial is ease of use and compactability. The Rotobrush BrushBeast is what we're currently using, and it's fantastic.
Rotobrush has always been there for me. They've always been awesome.
Rotobrush sets you up in business, but they stay with you. It's not a matter of, hey, we sold you some equipment, good for you, we're gonna cash your check, we'll see you next time. It's a matter of, okay, we've sold you this equipment, we want you to be successful, how can we help? And through the training with sales, marketing, advertising, the equipment training, and the constant contact with Rotobrush, it's more of a partnership than a customer-seller relationship.
And so I like the rotating brush and vacuuming system that allowed me to be able to use that type system on flex ducts without compromising the integrity of the membrane of the flex duct. And it just was a perfect match for me.
Rotobrush is a company that's been around for a long time, and they're trustworthy, and they're Texas, they're America, and they're not going anywhere.
And since I was going to be the guy in the field to start with, in the first 1,000 jobs we did, I was the guy in the field. I wanted the product that worked the best and had easiest use, and that ended up being the Rotobrush product.
Rotobrush, the leader in indoor air quality for over 25 years. Call us today at 1-800-535-3878.